Hey guys! If you're facing the error, Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error and must shut down. Here are a few quick fixes you can try. First, check if there is any server outage or maintenance on Ubisoft services. If servers are down, you'll have to wait. If everything is working fine, go to File Explorer, open C Drive, Users, your username, App Data, Local, and delete the Ubisoft Game Launcher folder. Make sure to create a backup before deleting it and close Ubisoft Connect completely. Next, open the temp folder in the same location and delete all temporary files. After that, open Ubisoft Connect, select your game, and verify the game files. Also, make sure you're not using a VPN and try running both the game and Ubisoft Connect as administrator. If the issue still persists, try updating Ubisoft Connect through the Microsoft Store. That's it. One of these methods should fix the problem. Thanks for watching.